Taj Mahal.
Okay, so just time stand here, 2 minutes, explain something, and after going inside.
Okay.
And first of all, welcome in the Taj Mahal. I'm your tour guide. My name is Zubair Khan. Any question you have, you ask me, okay?
Okay.
And this is Taj Mahal, the first part. This part is the name, 4-court area. Here 4 entrance gate and plus 4 garden. That's why I call this area 4-court area. And Taj Mahal is the first gate. Over there is a west gate. You know King Shah Jahan. King named Shah Jahan, he has 3 wives. Is the first wife, memory this gate. And she is buried over there. Look at the white dome tree, the behind side.
Okay,
Yeah.
that one.
And
Okay.
she is buried over there. The
First
first
wife.
wife is the name Fatehpuri Begum and call this gate also Fatehpuri Gate. And second gate is exactly over there, East Gate. East Gate is the second wife, memory this gate. And she is buried over there, tree the behind side dome.
Okay.
And second wife name Sandali Begum and call this gate also Sandali Gate. And third gate is the name South Gate. South Gate is very important gate. Here 20,000 workers working here use this gate labor just to worker gate. And fourth gate is the name Taj Mahal, the main entrance gate. This gate name the Royal Gate. This
This
gate,
is the main gate.
yeah, main gate. This gate height bottom to top 105 feet, about 35 meter. You see small white dome over there? If you don't mind, you please count how many domes?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, you're right.
Yeah.
11 here, 11 exactly behind side, the back side. 11
11?
plus 11,
22.
22. Taj Mahal took 22 years. It's a 22 dome is memory. Going 16th century back, no calculator, no calendar. 1 year, one thing is complete, put over there one dome. This memory, Taj Mahal took 22 years. And little bit is down in the white marble and black writing, 3 side of the border. This is Holy Book Quran. You know Muslim book Quran?
Yeah.
It's right over there, morning prayer, Arabic language. Just look like a color and paint, but that no color, no paint. This black onyx from Belgium. This inlaid marble. First take it out marble, after fix inside the stone. This mosaic work, inlay work. Little bit you see down, red, green, flower leaves over there. In the white marble, red stone. This stone very famous in Taj Mahal. You know why? It's the night time, come to your full moon, this stone is sparking like a fire. How's firing, how shining? Later I show you. Here you see small rooms here. Total rooms 210 rooms. And that time this is labor rooms.
Okay.
First been Taj Mahal. After come out, take
Taj Mahal.
It's like very weird.
Right.
right.
Yeah. Very
Try.
Yeah.
The barbeting is cheaper. That's a good price. Cheaper than Muslim. Good price. First time Taj Mahal.
How many days stay now?
No, we are flying today.
India, how many days?
Yeah, we are monthly.
View from Muslim.
पीछे गिरा कर दिन बदमाशी है ना और वो रोक के अंदर सिक्योरिटी वाला फिर क्या गिर रहे हो तो लखनऊ का स्टॉप है ना
कितने